Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to make a drawing with the help of word I love you. Here you can see I love you is written for love. I made it a heart and some short keys I used it I and for I and a U. So so I feel that love is quite sweet as a honey. So I am going to make it honeybee with the help of I love you. So this is my marker. Take it a fatty marker. First, on the honeybee, I am going to make it a crown with a curve, again with a curve, again few curve lines for making a crown and few dots on it. So it's a crown of a honeybee. Now I'm going to make it a hair of honeybee. Now I'm going to make it a small cutie hand with the slanting lines. At both the side. Here a body part with a curve line, few curves at a lower part for making a body, one slanting line for the wings, one more slanting line going towards downside, same at the opposite side, one more slanting line going towards upside, one more slanting line opposite to same line. If you want to mark it, you can mark it. One curve going towards inside towards hand, same thing, one curve going towards hand, one more curve coming towards hand downside, one more curve coming towards downside. Here its wings is ready. Now I'm going to take it a detailing marker for making a eyes, a cutie eyebrows, a cutie eyes, a small nose and a lips. Here cutie honeybee's face is ready. Few lines in the wings. Here my honeybee is ready. Now I'm going to fill color with the help of brush pens. Here I'm converting a crown with a yellow color. At the lower part of the body, I'm going to make it yellow. In the hand, I'm going to make it red. Fill it perfectly line to line, do not go outside. Make it slowly so your drawing will be a more comfortable and looking good. Sky blue, some effect in the wings. Just I am giving a strokes which is going rising upside. Same thing here. Just few strokes. Here's some effect of the wings I've given. And a yellow color. Now going to make it a cute chicks with red color. And finally I'm going to give a black color hair. If you want to make it some another color of color in a hair, you can give it some like a blonde color, some like if you want to change a color medium, like if you don't want to use it brush marker, you can change your color mediums. Even also you can put it all pastel colors, wax colors, whatever you like it. Here my honeybee with I love you word is ready. Thank you friends.